The world's largest cell phone factory is now open in Noida. Samsung's new factory is open for business. Prime Minister Modi and South Korea's President Moon Jae-in took a train ride to Noida to inaugurate the added plant. The factory has a capacity to manufacture 10 million phones every month. Here's a quick snapshot of the leaders from India and South Korea inaugurating the factory and how it helps further the Make in India mission.
आज हो रहा ये आयोजन भारत के नागरिकों के एम्पावरमेंट में योगदान तो देगा ही, मेक इन इंडिया की मुहिम को भी ये गति देगा। इस नए प्लांट से 1000 और लोगों को रोजगार मिलने वाला है।
Samsung Electronics inaugurated what it claims to be the world's largest mobile factory in Noida in Uttar Pradesh. The company cut the ribbon along with PM Modi, the President of South Korea and CM of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. Now remember that Samsung has been manufacturing in India since 2007, but last year the company signed an MOU with the government of Uttar Pradesh to expand operations in this facility. What it means is that they announced that they will invest 4,915 crore rupees to expand operations at this unit. So this is not a brand new unit, they've just expanded operations. What does it translate to in terms of numbers? Well, currently the capacity of this unit is that it produces 68 million smartphones per year, but by 2020 the company claims that they will be able to double its capacity and manufacture 120 million units by 2020. Of course, this will be a phased growth. Overall, remember that while this is working very well for the Make in India mission and it's luring more manufacturers in India, but Samsung also has a lot that it can take away from especially the Indian market. Just to give you some perspective, India has a total of 400 million smartphone users and we're a total of 1.3 billion people. So there is a lot of untapped potential that companies like Samsung and many other hardware makers are looking to ride on. According to a report by IDC, just last year, that is in 2017, India touched the smartphone shipment number to 124 million units. So by 2020, if this manufacturing facility can produce 120 million smartphones just alone in this one plant, that means this facility can take care of a large part of India's needs in terms of smartphones. Recently, Samsung's also become the largest manufacturer or the smartphone vendor in India, beating Xiaomi that listed recently. So overall, there is a lot going on for Samsung, and setting up a facility like this or investing in one was the next obvious step. So it's a win-win for everybody, the government, the Samsung as a company, and of course the consumers who will benefit from locally made in India smartphones.
Well, thanks very much, Megha, for that.